Is Windows showing errors, crashing, or behaving strangely? Before reaching for a reset or reinstall, you can use several built-in command prompt tools to diagnose and repair Windows. In this guide, I'll walk you through SFC, DISM, CHKDSK, and a few other useful commands. First, open Windows Search and type Command Prompt. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Approve the User Account Control prompt. Administrator access is important because many Windows repair commands need elevated permissions. Start with System File Checker. Type SFC/SCANNOW and press Enter. Windows will scan protected system files and automatically repair files it can fix. Let the scan reach 100%, then read the final message to see whether problems were found or repaired. If SFC can't repair some files, use DISM next. Enter DISM/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth and press Enter. DISM checks the Windows component store and can repair corruption that may prevent SFC from working properly. This process can take a while, so let it complete. Next, check the Windows drive with CHKDSK. Start with CHKDSK C: to scan for file system problems. If you need Windows to repair logical disk errors, CHKDSK C:/F can be used. Because the system drive may be in use, Windows might ask you to schedule the repair for the next restart. If Windows is working but you're having network problems, CMD can help there too. Run ipconfig/flushdns to clear the DNS cache. You can also use ipconfig/release and ipconfig/renew to refresh your IP configuration. These commands can help with certain connection problems. After completing the repairs, restart Windows and test the problem again. Try opening the applications that were failing, check Windows features, and make sure your files are accessible. If the problem continues, review the exact error messages before running more advanced repairs. And that's how to repair common Windows problems using CMD. Start with SFC, use DISM when needed, check the drive with CHKDSK, and refresh network settings when appropriate. Always back up important files before major repairs, and don't interrupt a repair command while it's running. So work through the steps carefully, one at a time.